The first topic we're gonna cover is the legal stuff. And I'll be honest, it's a little bit boring. You can honestly skip to the next lesson if you like, but we're gonna talk about getting monetized. Also, how to fill out your Google AdSense and how it works. The very first thing you need to know to start making money is you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours watch time. And how do you know how much watch time you have? I'm about to show you. We're gonna go right here. We're gonna go to YouTube Studios. We're gonna go all the way to monetization. And boom. So this is one of my new channels, RTE Shirts, where I cover a whole bunch of shirt topics. I start my t-shirt business again. Have a whole bunch of equipment in the description below. But I'll be honest, getting 1,000 subscribers is still a little bit difficult. But the hard part is the 4,000 hours watch time. How does it work? Let's say you make a 10-minute video. 6 people watch the whole 10 minutes. That's 60 minutes watch time or 1 hour. If you go to your analytics, right here, boop, you can see how much watch time you're getting a day. So this channel, 20 hours, 42 hours, 74 hours. And it only calculates the last 12 months. In the last 12 months, I have 350 hours watch time. I still have a way to go, but this is where the grind comes in. But once you get accepted, you're gonna get an email, and then you're gonna have to go to your Google AdSense account. All right, you're gonna link it to the email and your YouTube channel, and that's pretty much. Oh, wait a minute. Whatever you made in January 1st to January 31st, you're gonna get that amount. The next month, between the 21st and the 26th, YouTube has never missed a payment. Now, let me show you how to change your name if you want to. How to upload a logo. You go to your channel, you go to customize channel, and right here, you go to branding. This is your profile picture, your banner. You could upload a watermark right there. Basic information, your name. You want to change it? Boom, there you go. A little channel description. And that's pretty much it. YouTube makes it super easy to change your name, your picture, your information. You know, for example, I went from a sole proprietor to an S Corp in 2020. So it's not that complicated, guys. And it only takes a couple minutes. But now, let's move on to the next topic, which is the equipment.